Hi, ASCII codes. What is ASCII code? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Most of our communication in computer is completing with help of these ASCII codes. We have these ASCII codes from 0 to 255 characters. So this American Standard Code for Information Interchange and its characters from 0 to 255 are arranged in different categories. The character 0 is null. Okay, null character is given for 0. They will have numbers and they will be stored in computer in binary form. The characters from 1 to 31 and 127 are control characters. Now you get doubt what is control character exactly. For different peripheral devices, we need for communication across different peripheral devices or computer. We need some control characters, and those control characters are 1 to 31 and 127. Okay. So these are control characters 1 to 31 and 127, and character 32 is space. So even when suppose when you type characters in Word, each and every character will have its ASCII code, and the corresponding binary code related to the ASCII value will be stored in computer. In the same manner, when you press space button, the 32 equivalent binary code will be stored in computer, and character 33 to 47 for punctuation and mathematics different. We will be seeing them in the coming part. And characters 48 to 57 are numerals from 0 to 9, and 58 to 64 consist of math and punctuation marks, and 65 to 90 we have capital letters from capital A to capital Z, and lowercase characters from 97 to 122. Characters 123 to 126 are punctuation marks again. The characters 128 to 255 we call it as extended ASCII, is upper 8-bit region. These are different categories we have in ASCII codes. Let's see one by one. First category. What is the first category? 1 to 31 and 127 are control characters. These are used by different peripheral devices. Start of heading, start of text, end of text. These are different codes we have, right? These are from 1 to 31. Next, we have different punctuation marks like exclamation, double quotes, hash, dollar. All the characters that we use from the keyboard, they already have an ASCII code. Suppose when we enter dollar in any of text supported application, automatically 36 equivalent ASCII value, 36 equivalent binary code will be stored inside the computer. 48 to 54, 48 to 57 we have numbers from 0 to 9. Again we have punctuation marks, colon, semicolon, less than, equal to, all these will have an ASCII code. Based on these ASCII code, when we enter less than, what will happen? 60 equivalent binary code will be generated by the keyboard and it will be stored in memory. So 65 to 90 we have characters from all the characters, all the capital alphabets are from 65 to 90. Again from 91 to 95 we have some of the symbols from the keyboard, and again from 97 to 122 we have lowercase alphabets. Okay, again after that we have some symbols up to 127 we already discussed about a control character, and these are extended ASCII, right? All the operators like left shift, right shift, right? All these are given, all these are stored under extended ASCII. Even square root, division, different kinds of symbols that we can use, alpha, beta, pi, sigma, all these symbols, right? All these symbols are part of extended ASCII. These are the codes based on which our computer work. These are the codes which are stored in computer. Whenever you enter them by using the keyboard, the corresponding binary code will be generated and it will be stored in computer. Thank you.